Hey gang, David Shalat here. First look at the KECO 36-inch LED light. Designed for the body shop technician in mind for glue pull repair, but equally versatile for the PDR technician as well. 36-inch head with cool and warm light strips that can be operated independently or together. You've got an extending pole and shaft to reach out. The arm itself pivots up and down, just as a normal light does. You've got the telescoping feature as well. Go up and down to reach those roofs. It's all aluminum construction, very lightweight, 3-inch heavy-duty casters. It's got a bolt that runs through and through with a threaded locking nut at the bottom. Aluminum battery tray, made in America, lightweight KECO 36-inch LED light.